Canon C100, preparing your camera to film. Firstly, you should ensure your camera is white balanced. There are two ways of doing this. The first is setting it to auto white balance. To do this, press the WB button on the side of the camera. Use the toggle to select AWB, and this will automatically change depending on the location lighting. The other way of adjusting your white balance is to do it manually. Press the WB button again and select K. Then press the button above WB. This will allow you to change the temperature of the image. A correct looking image will be when the colours of objects on screen look the same as they do in person. Next, you will need to ensure you are recording in the correct format. Select Menu, then the fifth icon down, the spanner, then find Movie Format. And find your desired movie format. Changing the shutter speed. We recommend that you change the shutter speed measurement to fractions. Go into the menu and under the camera icon, select Shutter and change the mode to Speed. Your frame rate will now be displayed as a fraction. As a rule of thumb, your shutter speed should be double the value of your frame rate, which we set earlier on in this tutorial. To adjust the shutter speed, click the Shutter button and adjust it using the toggle. When filming faster moving objects, a higher frame rate will be needed. However, this may result in the image being darker. To change the brightness of the image, you will need to adjust the aperture, ISO and ND filter. If the image is dark, ensure an ND filter is not switched on by adjusting the dial on the side. An ND filter can be used when filming outdoors in bright light. The next step to brighten the image is to check the aperture is on the lowest it can go by adjusting the dial on the handle. If the image is too bright, you can up this value to darken it. However, before reducing the brightness of your image, you should check that the ISO is as low as possible. If you are filming in low light, it is possible to increase the value of the ISO to brighten the image. You are now ready to record. Once you've finished recording, switch the power button down to select media. This will allow you to review your footage. Please see setting up sound to prepare your camera to record sound.